Sharma, Class 8, from PM Shri KV1 Gwalior, second shift. I am presenting a project on under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat on the topic of Manipur state. So let us visit Manipur from geography. Location. Manipur is in the northern part of the India, sharing borders with Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram and Myanmar. Topography. The Imphal Valley is surrounded by the hilly ranges and it is the most significant feature of geography. Climate. The climate is predominantly subtropical with a monsoon weather and moderate temperatures with humidity. Now history. Ancient history. The Manipur means the dread land, which is mentioned in the ancient history. Kingdom of Manipur. The region is ruled from the several centuries with the kings. And the British area. The Manipur came under the British rule in 1891. Now politics. Manipur has a unicameral legislature with 60 members. Major political parties. The parties include BJP, INA, and more regional parties. Current governance. The current Chief Minister of Manipur is N. Biren Singh from BJP. Now economy. Agriculture is the backbone. Agriculture is the backbone of the Manipur's economy, and about the crops, shifting cultivation, and many more. Next, handloom and handicrafts. Manipur is most famous because of these textile industries, handicrafts, and employment. Trade and commerce. Small scale trading, markets, and etc. Industries, small scale industries, food processes, potential, and tourism, nature and culture, adventure tourism, service sector, which includes government jobs, education, and health. Now, let us talk about the dresses of Manipur. Women's traditional dress is phanik, which is like a skirt, and men's traditional dress is dhoti, which is include a turban. Different celebrations: Yaoshan festival, Ninga Chokuba, and Kum Chingba. Monuments: Kangla Fort, Sri Govind Sri Temple, INA Memorial. These are the major monuments of Manipur. Great personalities: Maharaja Bhagyachandra, in 18th century king, which include the which especially prescribed the religion and art, and Mary Kom, which is the world's famous boxer and Olympic medalists. Now let us talk about the sports of Manipur. Sangol Khangje and Tangta. Language, official language is Manipuri in Manipur, and other is Thado, Marting, and Kanghul. Food. The staple diet of Manipur is rice, which is served with fish, vegetables, and meat. And dances. The Ras Leela is the most popular classical dance in the Manipur, and many more like Pangcholam, Thangta, sports, polo, football, and Magna, which is wrestling, Yubina Alabki, Hyangpa Tanaba, which is boat racing, Kang, Arambai Hunba, and Oloboi, and Jaideep Korfi. Challenges and opportunity. Infrastructure. These states' infrastructure, especially in terms of transportation and power supply, is still under development, limited industrial growth, conflict and economic instability. Political interests and insurgency have historically affected the state in economic growth. Now, connectivity. Ongoing projects like the India, Myanmar, Thailand trilateral highway and the rail connectivity initiative offer potential of boost trade and industry. In summary, agriculture remains the backbone of Manipur's economy, while handlooms, handicrafts, and small-scale industries economy is gradually transitioning with tourism, trade, and service sectors poised for future growth. Thank you.